Okay, guys, so in this special course, we're gonna teach you everything from the beginner level to the intermediate level to the advanced level. So we're gonna take you on the journey through very beginning till the very final product is how we dance. Okay, and how we want you to look at the dancing. We want you to divide dancing into two parts, is what we dance and how we dance. So what we dance, it's the steps, some patterns, choreographies. Choreography can be basic or advanced. And how we dance, the secrets, tips, principles, techniques, which we use inside this choreography. So most of our principles, they always the same, but the choreography and steps we can change, we can modify. And I want you just to keep in mind in our lessons, we're going to always speak about what we do, the steps and patterns, and then we're going to give you a lot of very good tips and secrets and principles how to do them. Okay, let's start today with the Rumba because this is the easiest, the slowest. It's very good to create some fundamentals to it. So number one, what we're gonna do is a basic in place. Basic in place. So what we're gonna do is basic, or this, the most simple movement. So basically, we're just gonna release our body weight to our left leg, and we're gonna change weight. In Rumba, it's gonna be quick, quick, slow. So we're just changing body weight. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow. Quick, quick, slow, basic in place. Quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick, quick, slow, quick and quick. So what are we doing? Basically, we're just changing body weight from right leg to the left leg. So changing body weight. What does it mean changing weight? So if my body weight now is on my right leg, I can easily lift my left leg. If my body weight on my left leg, I can easily lift my right leg. So by just releasing hip to one of the leg, we already changed weight. And now if we put timing to it, which is in Rumba, quick, quick, slow, we have already first movement, basic in place. That's movement number one, very, very important. We're gonna give you a lot of techniques and tips how to use your body in it, but first we have to learn this movement, basic in place, number one movement. So we're gonna do it, change weight, change weight, change weight. Now with the timing, quick, quick, slow. So the first two will be a little bit quicker. The third one, we're gonna be a little bit slower. And quick, slow. Quick and quick, slow, basic in place. Quick and quick, slow. 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 Now we're gonna count a little bit more professional way. Instead of saying quick, quick, slow, we're gonna count with the numbers. So as we change first time, we're gonna say 2. If we change second time, is we're gonna say 3. When we change the fourth time, when it was our slow, we're gonna say 4, 1, 4, 1. So we connect 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Basic in place. Why it's called basic? Because it's the most simple movement. Why it's called in place? Because we don't go anywhere. We stay where we are. And for this exercise, even you can keep 2 heels down. We just want to get the basic, the most fundamental idea of the dancing, and that will give you a base for all other dances in this course. So let's do it again. And quick, slow. Quick and quick, slow. Change weight, slow. Quick and quick, now with the correct timing with the numbers. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. exactly the same from reverse angle. So basic in place. Change our body weight to the left. Now let's change weight together with us. We go change body weight to the right leg, change to the left, back to the right. Now with the timing, quick, quick, slow. Quick and slow. Changing body weight. Quick and slow. Repeat with us. Slow. Quick, slow. Quick, slow. Change that weight slow now with the correct timing with the numbers. 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. Again, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1. So this number one movement, we call it basic in place. And timing of it, 2, 3, 4, 1, or quick, slow. So that's movement number one. And now we still talk about what we are dancing, not how we dance. How we dance, later we're gonna give you some principles and tips.